us, I must say na alam ko naman na they didn't really leave us. Hindi naman nila tayo totally iniwan. Dahil ako naman kasi, fan din ako eh. Fan din ako ng ibang artists, fan din ako ng ibang singers. And na-feel ko din na minsan meron isang artist na parang nag-doubt ako na, ay, ba't ganun? And I keep forgetting na, bakit ako nagko-complain? I love this artist. Dahil ito yung talent niya, dahil ito yung ginagawa niya. So, hindi ko sila masisisi kung yun yung na-feel nila. Hindi ko sila masisisi kung yun yung yung naiisip nila for now. Kung yun yung nangingibago for them. Sa akin lang, andun pa rin yung hope for me that someday they'll realize na she's still Charisse. She's still Charisse that we love. She's still Charisse na hinangaan ko. And I'm still a Chester. And I'm still hoping that I would hear that from someone and from ex-Chester. So, yeah. Ayun. And I still love you. I still love you guys. You know? And it's just sad for me because some of them are very familiar for me. Some of them I met. Some of them I was very close with. So that's why when I found out na, you know, parang tumalikod sila, it was very painful. Kasi hindi ko pa in-expect na kung sino pa yung mga ibang kakilala ko na hindi ko ganun ka-close. Sila pa talaga yung nag-stay dyan para sa akin. But, basta, like you, ako din, lahat tayo may hope na, oo, may dadagdag. Pero yung mga umalis, someday babalik sila. And again, we're all gonna be family, complete family. Yung mga soldiers ko mabubukulit. And we're all gonna fight. So, Chasters, you know, ang tagal na yan. Chasters for life, yes. Charisse and Chasters. Yan talaga ang perfect combination. So, thank you. Thank you so much.